Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move your document to a folder on Canva using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Canva as well as a document that we have created. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Canva, search for this, enter. Now let's go to canva.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to recent designs, click on the document that was created in the previous tutorial. Now let's go to share. Go to save to folder. Let's now create a new folder and call this CSV. Move to new folder. So this file itself has now been migrated to that folder. Let's click on go to folder. And within projects, we have a brand new folder that's called CSV. Click on this and then we have the Computer Science Videos document migrated to that new destination for us to then work within in the near future. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.